Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Photoshop layer styles for reusable logo designs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Create a new document by clicking on File and selecting New. Set your desired dimensions for the logo design. Choose a resolution of at least 300 dpi for print quality. Select the background color or make it transparent according to your preference. Click on the text tool to add your logo text. Choose a font style that reflects the brand's identity. Adjust the text size and positioning on the canvas. Highlight the text layer in the Layers panel. Navigate to the Layer menu at the top. Select Layer Style from the drop-down menu. Explore the various style options, such as Drop Shadow or Bevel and Emboss. Click on Drop Shadow to add depth to your text. Adjust the opacity, angle, distance, spread, and size to achieve the desired effect. Next, click on Bevel and Emboss to give the text a three-dimensional look. Modify the depth, size, and soften settings for a balanced appearance. If desired, add a gradient overlay by selecting Gradient Overlay. Pick a gradient that complements the logo design. Adjust the angle and scale of the gradient for optimal visual impact. Once satisfied with the changes, click OK to apply the layer styles. To save your style for future use, right-click on the text layer in the Layers panel. Select Copy Layer Style from the context menu. Create a new text layer or open an existing one for a different logo. Right-click on the new text layer and choose Paste Layer Style. This will apply the same styles to the new layer. You can modify any aspects of the layer styles as needed to suit the new design. Once the logo is finalized, save your work by navigating to File and selecting Save As. Choose a file format suitable for your needs, such as PSD for further editing or PNG for web use. Your reusable logo design is now complete, ready for future projects. With this method, you can quickly create and customize logos while maintaining a consistent style. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.